What's good, fam? I've returned for another presentation. Before I begin, make sure you hit that like. Make sure you share and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Joy and pain, love, beauty in the struggle, wisdom in the pain. Some of life's deepest growth comes through holding both tenderness and hardship without collapsing into either. Human life rarely moves through one emotion alone. Joy and pain often exist close together. Love and grief, hope and loss, growth and struggle, beauty and hardship. Many seek only joy, many fear pain, but life often teaches through both. To understand love deeply, one must understand both tenderness and struggle. Joy is not the absence of pain. Joy is often misunderstood as constant happiness, but joy can exist during healing, during uncertainty, during hardship, during rebuilding, during grief. Joy is not always ease. Sometimes joy is quiet gratitude within difficulty, pain, and the human journey. Pain moves through life in many forms: loss, rejection, failure, separation, illness, change, disappointment. Pain often reminds humans of vulnerability, but vulnerability also deepens understanding. Love in the midst of struggle. Love is often romanticized as comfort, yet real love can involve patience, repair, sacrifice, accountability, endurance, presence during hardship. Love is tested in pressure. Affection is easy in comfort. Depth is revealed in challenge. Beauty in the struggle. Struggle is often viewed only as burden, but struggle may reveal resilience, character, perspective, hidden strength, humility, gratitude. Beauty is not always softness. Sometimes beauty is refinement under pressure. When pain teaches, pain can become teacher. It may reveal fragile foundations, false expectations, unhealed wounds, misaligned priorities, needed boundaries, deeper compassion. Pain alone does not create wisdom. Reflection does. Emotional maturity. To hold joy and pain together requires maturity. This may involve grieving without losing hope, loving without losing boundaries, feeling deeply without collapsing, accepting hardship without worshiping suffering, remaining soft without becoming fragile. Maturity often grows through complexity, the illusion of permanent ease. Many are taught to chase constant comfort, but life contains seasons, change, gain, loss, renewal, uncertainty. Endless ease is not the human condition. Adaptation matters more than perfection. Wisdom in the pain. Wisdom may emerge when pain is processed. It can deepen. Empathy, patience, discernment, perspective, boundaries, humility, appreciation of joy. Pain does not need to define identity, but it can refine understanding. Joy as resistance. Sometimes joy itself becomes strength. To remain grateful, to remain loving, to remain present, to create beauty despite struggle. This can become powerful. Joy can coexist with scars. Life often contains both joy and pain, love and loss, beauty and hardship, tenderness and struggle. The deeper task is not avoiding pain entirely, nor clinging only to joy. It is learning to move through both wisely, because struggle may shape strength, and pain, when reflected upon, may become wisdom. Joy and pain are often woven through the same human journey. Beauty can emerge in struggle, and wisdom can emerge when pain is consciously carried, reflected on, and transformed. I appreciate you all for being here with me, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.